Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Tracy Drury. If you are a new viewer, thank you so much for joining me. And of course, if you are a return viewer, I appreciate you just as much. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of an order from Barneys. They had your Love Yourself Beauty Bag event just last week. So I was hoping that I would get my order in a little bit sooner, but sorry, there was like an ice cream truck that just sped by. And they have this event in the spring and the fall. In my opinion, it's the best beauty event out there as far as the gift or the amount that you have to spend. So I have not looked at everything yet. I have cut the box open and that's really about it. So we're gonna look at this together. And I'm sorry if I move the table and everything shakes. All right, so card, probably knowing Carolyn, the sales associate I work with, so thank you for your order. The first thing that I ordered, okay, maybe I should have opened some of these. Okay, so all of my order is the brand by Terry. I love their products a lot, especially makeup. I haven't really used their skincare except their lip balms, which I love, and I ordered anyway. Okay, so this is the Preciosity Ombre Blackstar gift set collection. They actually had it during the holidays, and I saw that they still have it on their website that Barneys does. So I asked Carolyn, hey, can you get a hold of this for me? Because I wanted to order through her. And so, okay. So these are the 3 shades that I ordered. And looking for the color names of the shades. Okay, so I will put the names below because I'm sure they're here and I'm just not seeing. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this one, the first one is Misty Rock. The second one is Bronze Moon, which I think I might already have. And the third one is Blonde Opal. So I don't know if you've had a chance to try these or not. If you have, I'd love to know your opinion about them. Leave a comment below. I like these a lot. I have the Stilo version of this, and I like to keep a sharp point on that one. It can be used as eyeshadow. I like to use it for eyeliner because I have like green, a dark green and a dark blue, so it's a nice pop of color for my eyeshadow. Okay, and then of course I have no scissors in here. Okay, let me see if I can just pull it out. Oh shoot. Oh, you saw this, like. Okay, next time I'll just open them. Here we go. Okay, got it. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. This is no joke, man. They wrap these things up tight. Oh, okay, so this is their new shadow palette. Their Game Lighter shadow palette, and I got the shade Pixie Nude because they have them in some really bright colors. Like I'll show you what the inside looks like first so you can understand. First of all, here is the, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I love that cut. That's beautiful. Okay, so the shadows. Let's see if I can here's the shadows. So there's another palette where the colors are much brighter, and they're like pinks and purples and maybe some blues. There might be a yellow in there. But I am not real daring when it comes to color with my eyeshadow. So that's why I ordered this, the Pixie Nude, because I love neutrals, and you would think I could have enough of them, but then somebody comes out with a shadow palette that I just need to have. Okay, the next part of my order oh, this is exciting. So they have, I love Baume de Rose in the pot, and they also have it in, it looks like a tube of lip gloss, but it's their lip balm. And now, oh, that's what this is. Okay, so I ordered another, this is what the lip gloss version looks like. I love these. It's a little less expensive than the tub. And so their new Lash-Expert, might be easier to see this box. It's their new Lash-Expert twist brush. And I don't know how to use it just yet, but it's supposed to have one shape of brush, and then you twist it and it does something else. So it has the, like, it essentially ends up having two different types of brushes. Okay, so that's everything that I ordered. Now, because I ordered all the By Terry stuff, I got their gift with purchase. It's a really cute bag, isn't it? So what do we have here? Oh, okay, so Terribly Denseless Primer, and it's a nice bottle, nice size bottle, so I can use that. I might try that with travel. Oh, their new hand cream. It's the it goes with the lip balm. It's the Baume de Rose. And then Mascara Terribly, which is their, I think, like their original mascara. That's a travel size, so that's perfect. I will be holding on to that. And then 2 sample packets, Cellulose. Oh, what is it here? So one is the Integral Restructuring Balm, and then Absolute Smoothing Eye Care. So that is the By Terry gift. And let me put this back in this bag. We'll be in Boston next week, and I'll stop in and see Carolyn, and I might pick up the Baume de Rose, or Baume de Rose, sorry. There's a lip pencil, and I may try that. Okay, so they always have a really nice beauty bag. Sometimes they have this design. And that sometimes they have a different design, and I don't have one right here, or I would show it to you. But they are always very high quality, and I tend to hold on to them. I think the bag from the fall I gave to someone. But I mean, look at this. It's stuffed. Okay, so I'm so excited. I'm really excited about this. I thought that the Vitabrid Dual Mask, it's a sheet mask, deep hydration and moisture retention. I thought there was gonna be 1. There's 5. So that's very exciting. I always love, it's a Davines. It's a milk product for your hair. I like to use this in the summertime when I'm naturally drying my hair. I will just get this name wrong. So this is an Ocean Mist Szechuan. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Oh, this is a good size of the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. I like this a lot, actually. I'm glad I didn't buy another bottle. This is the Ombre Gold Lust Repair and Restoring Shampoo. It's a good size sample, isn't it? Revive Anti-Aging Eye Serum. See, they give you really good sizes of samples for the most part. This is the La Mer, right? I think it's the original cream. They always have something from 3 Lab Super Eye Treatment. Some fragrance for man and woman. Eve Lome Cleanser. This isn't, oh, this is an eye mask from Madonna's line. Another fragrance, Replica. Oh, Detox Face Mask by Mullen and Getz, I think. Is that how you pronounce it? Let's see. This is by Sicily. It's Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream. Givenchy. Oh, it's probably a red lipstick is my guess. But we should open it and find out, huh? So look at this, look at, isn't that cute? It's so cute, I love it. Okay, so I will be giving this to someone because I don't need another red lipstick. I have a ton. And I even have minis like this, because normally I like to hold on to minis because they sometimes come in handy, but I'll probably pass that on to somebody. Marvis toothpaste. Jeez, there's a, okay. Chantecaille Anti-Pollution Mattifying Cream. Okay, sorry, I had to step away for a minute. The oven was going off and you'll probably hear my husband in the background taking everything out. Okay, so this is it Oui? I don't know if that's right. Hair oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And if you feel like correcting me, please comment below because I'm okay with that. So this is Clé de Peau Softening Cleansing Foam. And that's a pretty good size. Their samples are all, for the most part, I mean there's a few that are sample packets, but for the most part their samples are always great. So this is the Clé de Peau. Can you see? So it's pretty good size. The Organic Pharmacy Collagen Boost Mask. I'm not super familiar with this brand. But I will try it. So this is, I'm not going to try and pronounce this. It's a fragrance sample. At least I think it is. Yes, look. This little There's a little sample in this huge box. That cracks me up. I mean, there's not 2 in here, there's 1. Okay. The next one is Armani Supreme Reviving Cream Light Texture. This is actually, I like this light texture cream. Two more things. This is a fragrance from Diptyque. Not quite sure which one it is, but I'm gonna guess it's probably another one of those little normal normal sample size. What does it say? Eau de Rose or Eau Rose, EAU space rose. So yes, it's this size in that box. And then the last item is, it's a Byredo. Pulp is the fragrance. Okay, I hope that focused in and you could see it. So that's it, but you know what? That's a lot. Again, the Vitabrid mask, I thought I was getting 1 and there's 5, so I'm super excited about that. Plus, there's so many other things that are really good size samples, so I can really try them. There's a few things that I'll be passing on to other people that I know I can't use, like the red lipstick. But otherwise, for the most part, I will be using these. We're taking a couple trips this year, so I'll probably use, take samples with me. That's usually what I do. So I would like to know, did you participate in this Barneys Love Yourself Beauty Bag event, or have you participated in any others? Also, just so you know, the spend amount is $200. There is a men's bag, so if you're a guy, or if you think you're a guy, would be interested, they have products for men. Some of them are the same as what's in this bag, but only if they can be used by men as well. So, and that's a pretty nice bag. I haven't purchased it, but I've seen it. It's a nice bag. There's a lot of samples in that one also. I'd also like to know what your thoughts are on how much I showed you that I received, because it was a lot. And I may take a photo of everything and put it on Instagram. So if keep an eye out for that, because it's a lot of stuff and I'd like to share it. I know other people would like to see it. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Their event is always online and in store, but I do a pre-order with a sales associate that I like to work with, and she happens to be in Boston. Yeah, so I think that's it. And I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you have worked with or participated in the Barneys Beauty event before, please leave any comments below, as long as they're not nasty and they're nice, then I'd love to hear from you. Again, I would be honored to have you consider following me. If you have not already subscribed, you can hit the subscribe button, and again, the bell will pop up and will show you notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for enjoying this time with me. And that's my dog in the background. But seriously, thanks. I enjoyed doing this. I wish it could have been sooner, so then you could have participated if you didn't. And thank you for your time. Have a good day.